Hello everyone. So we're left with type 3 questions and there are only 5 of them, okay? Let's start with question number 4 and in a similar manner you can do question number 12, all right? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now, how do we know these are type 3 questions? Now, if you look over here, you can see that there is a building and on top of the building you have a tower, right? So that means the diagram will be of this shape. This much is the building. This is the building, okay, and on top of it you have the tower, okay. So whenever you have questions like these, just remember it's of type 3 and the diagram will be like this, okay. The point on the ground does not change, but the height of the building and the tower, it changes, right? It's different. So here you will have one angle of elevation, another angle of elevation, and like I've said before, in this type you can just see that the smaller triangle will have smaller angle, bigger triangle bigger angle, okay. Tsuanin, we have a common point over here, and in this question we have 45 degree, the other one is 60 degree. Question kanang manin ngunde vinin laut share don niya. Tsuanin hi o kan ni tir le nga a common point hi a kan ni tir nga hi o kan ni tir le nga chuan hi c le d kan ni tir ve to thungang chuan building chunga tower a oma, okay. Chuanin a building kha a san zawng min hril bawk ani question a khan chuan he question a chuan perpendicular ni lovin base hi anin trawm ve thung dawn ani, okay. They're going to have common base, they're going to have different perpendiculars, all right. Now, in this question, they've given us kasoy to ang khan headlights in he for the smaller triangle. This is P, perpendicular, okay. For the smaller triangle, this is perpendicular. Okay, chuan building height min pe ama se building chunga tower kha height zon nga ya min pe velo tani, okay. So we're going to call it x, all right. We're going to call it x because we don't know tlai hi formula mangin perpendicular nge base nge height hypotenuse nge kan shat velo wangin hey ero hi chu p dash ani ve to thung don ani. For the bigger triangle, this is the perpendicular, okay. So instead of having b and b dash in these type of questions, we'll have p and p dash and b will be common, okay. All right, now in the question they've given us height of the building. So we already know p, which is 20 meter, okay. They've given us height of the building. Now we know that p dash, the perpendicular is height of the building plus height of the tower, right? Just keep that in mind, okay. So let's say let the height of the tower be dc, let the height of the tower be dc, which is equal to x. At chung hi dc nya chu x kan equal tira ma chuan tlai ero kha chu p ti kan sha sa 20 meter ti kan sha Now we're going to find again for triangle AOC, okay. In triangle AOC, again here also we're using perpendicular and base only, so we'll be using only tan theta, okay. Tan thau kan mang don perpendicular le base thau kan manawangin tan 45 is equal to p by b. Now in this case we already know p, so let's substitute that 20 by b, okay. And we also know that tan 45 is equal to 1. So this implies if you cross multiply, b is equal to 20, okay. Let's call this the first equation, okay. Chuanin again we're going to do the same thing for the bigger triangle, triangle AOD, okay. In triangle AOD, law en pot ro lo copy ri law khan law en pot ula triangle AOD chuan tan 60 degree ni ve thunga, tan 60 degree chu p dash by b ni ve to thunga ni. Now we know p dash chu enge kan ti to kha smaller p plus x, right. P plus x kha p dash ani by b, okay. Chuan we also know that p is 20, so we have 20 plus x by b, okay. And tan 60 degree, we already learned that tan 60 degree is root 3. So after you cross multiply, b goes to that side, root 3 comes here. Anin thak thleng b le p te so b hi ta chawa root 3 hi ron chuk thla ve thunga 20 plus x by root 3 ron ni ve to thunga kha equation 2 ron ni le ta cha ta ni. Okay, now from 1 and 2, if you equate both the right hand sides, we will get 20 is equal to 20 plus 3 by 20 plus x by root 3. Okay, so if you cross multiply it, you get 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus x, which will further imply, if you move 20 to the other side, it will become 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to x. And if you this will further imply 20 ka common kan la chuak le anga, 20 common lak chhuat chuan 20 bracket chunga root 3 minus 1 alo ni to don ani chuanin x khati khan kan hmuta der mai kan zo min zo ber chu height of the tower khan ta tero. Therefore the height of the tower is equal to 20 root 3 minus 1. In this question we're going to leave it in terms of root 3 because they haven't mentioned anything. Okay, now there is another way of solving this. You may find it easier. Okay, so I'm going to give you another option. Heta pensila ka zia chin hi mo han en ula option dang in tang hian chaw thei ani. Okay, heta hianin b hi 20 ti kan shat sa kha chu kan substitute ngal don ani a hnuai hemi heng ho zong kher lo hian chu wang chuan hemi chunjom na hi line ka siam chung cha chunjom na hi lo entai la b hi 20 ti in substitute ngal ta ila. How do we know that? From equation 1. Okay, from equation 1. Now again kan chaw chunjom ang 20 tan 60 kha root 3 ni ti kan shebok tro root 3 ni ti kan sheboka chuanin so mi root 3 ka zia sa chuan hnuaia ziak thale mai ro I space ka nei lo wangin tiang son ka ron ti so if you cross multiply easily you can find 20 root 3 minus 20. Then if you take common out, you get x is equal to 20 bracket root 3 minus 1. Tiang hianin atoi zo ka ma se chu wanjan headline from ti atanga headline thleng hi ti angai lawani ki bi pencil ka zi anga in cho chuan headline chang hian ani zok chu. Okay, so if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way in the way that I've written in pencil. If you do it like that, then you don't need to write from here till here. Okay, but masazo ka karon ti dan hi chu khami type 2 kan chaw dan ani wang khan kan she thiam zo ke tiang hian kan chok thiam to in ti ni chuan a poi chuang lova ani lo chuan hemi hi in ziak lo mai anga ni lo chuan tiang zong hian in du zok chuan in solve thei tho. Okay, so this is how you solve type 3. Okay, alright, question number 12 kha tuna mi ang cha khan ngai le cha hi po building san zong win pe chuan 30 degree p atangin angle of elevation ta hian building chunga khan flag omani tower ni loin flag om thunga chuan kha flag step chung thleng angle of elevation dang min ron pe boka mo chuan flag staff says san zong le a distance from the of the building from point p kha min ron peta tiang zong hian diagram lo ni taila point p ron ti deuh kher wangin a aya p kan han ti anga mo a point so chuan building kha tlai hi ni ta p perpendicular kha ni ta atero chuanin a flag staff ka kan shat lo wangin x kan ni tir le bokanga tlai chin hi. Okay, chuanin p dash kan nei le boka tero chuan abak zong kha chu a in ang veka angle of elevation te kha 30 degree le 45 an ni ve thunga mo chuan he question tle ma danglam na chu ka soi to ang khan a angle hi ni tlai hi 30 degree chuan alian zok so 45 ani chuan in this question they're not only asking us to find the height of the flag, but they've also height of the flag anti kha chuan x ani maya tero atira let the height of the flag be dc, which is equal to x in tinga chuan distance of the building from point P and P boka tira khan let the distance of the building from point P be OP, which is equal to B kan tibokang chuanin danglam na omle chu root 3 tiang hian in han chok thlaze langa a top answer hete in han hmu chia khan root 3 hi 1.732 a in substitute don nia abak chu ngai veka in chok thlanga top te a khan in substitute anga atira substitute ai chana topa khan ol jok okay chuan question number 12 khain lo chok don nia bye